Okay, you see, good afternoon, students. Chapter 6 Advanced Features of Excel 2010 Charts. Some charts will be there. I want to make sure what are the chart. Chart format means data representation help to understand comparatively quantity and the relationship between different data series. So MS Excel support type of chart. In this lesson you will learn about the chart. Okay. Chart area, in the components of the chart area it is there. Plot area, the place where chart and its the place where holder which contain chart and its part. Plot area, where the place where chart and its components are present. Data series, axis title, legend, identify data series. Data is plotted on as the chart. Data table, chart title. So how to create different type of chart? So before you create a chart, you must have a valid data to represent in the graphical form. Following this step to create a chart, select insert tab. To create any chart, you have to select the insert tab, then chart tab from the chart group. Commonly used chart, what are the chart? Column chart, bar, pie and line. So this all will be available in your windows. Column, line, pie, bar, area, scatter up to bar. So column chart is mostly used in the Excel. It display one or more series using vertical column. It display on the vertical axis and category are displayed on the horizontal axis. Uses for various category, for example comparing the age, weight of the student, some same groups. So this way it will be represented. So this is the chart, like Excel only. This is chart. So you see column chart will be like this. LN, age blue color, weight is red color. So LN, age is 8 years, weight is 30. Bharati, age is 9 and weight is 27, like this. Just you have to represent in a graphical format it is given. So more weight is Angel, it is 60, weight is 60 and his age also 43 or 4. Approximate value it is given here. If you want to put it a direct means accurate, then you may make it 1 2 like this. 10 ruling you have to make here also. 70 ruling if you make, then one by one you can identify the accurate presentation. So type of column chart, represent data column, option chart group. So list of 2D 3D cylinder cone, these all are there. You see 3D cones will be there. Which way? This is the simple one. You want to make nice cone also is there, then all pyramid is there, cylinder is there, 3D it is there. So these are the different type of design of the chart it is given here. You can put it. Bar chart, you must see comparison of data item and set horizontal bar. Values are displayed on the horizontal axis and categories are displayed on the vertical axis. Let us see the chart how it is. It will be like this. So main representation of data will be in the Excel sheet and the chart will be here. After that you click the chart. You want line chart, click line chart, this page will be open. Then you want to represent it, you put just you give the points, then line will be created here. This is about line chart. Pie chart, you see line chart can be plotted from line option, start option, 2D 3D are there. Here you can get the different style of this line chart. Then here are the different formats of line chart. Shape style, you can give different shape in the format tab. Shape style group, then shape fill, you want to fill the color with this color, theme colors are there. Then no fill, more colors, picture, click on the picture, gradient option, click texture option. After that it will be same. If you want to give some word art style, then you have to go to the format tab, word art style group. Then see, word art already you know, it is in the Word you have got it. This is the word art formatted chart. This way you can give formatted chart. These are the text area, you can see these are the gradient colors are there. You can change the color of this chart. Then formatting value axis, x-axis and y-axis. So x-axis, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Here it is 0. You can point here 5, 10, 15 like this, and here also 5, 10, 15 like this. You can give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines you can give. The age is 4, you can keep here 4. It will be like this. Second one, if the age is 14, it will be here. Then last one like 18, then the line will be just like this. So this is the representation of x-axis and y-axis. So this is called x-axis. You have to give an arrow sign here, and y-axis also you have to give an arrow sign here. Okay, so today up to this much only. Next class I will discuss about inserting picture in the start, how you can insert a picture, consolidating, and this one will be the, I will explain these 2 points and one time revision, and your this chapter will be completed. And last one will be there. This will be your first time. Only last one chapter will be there. Thank you.